This lesson focuses on solving multi-step equations, and the goal is to use your knowledge of the distributive property and like terms to solve multi-step equations. So this goes back to the previous unit of expressions, how to combine like terms and use our distributive property. And now we're going to combine that, with our equation knowledge from the previous 5 lessons. So for these problems, what you really should do is forget about the right side for now. Just, that's not even there, okay? Just focus on simplifying the left side as far as you can. So look for our like terms. Can we combine anything? And we sure can. We've got 2x terms, okay? 3x plus 4x makes 7x. And that 6 is there as a constant, nothing to combine it with. And now we can come back and look at our right side. 7x plus 6 equals 20, which is now a 2-step equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Gives us 7x equal to 14. Divide both sides by 7. X equals 2. If you want to pause the video and try number 2 on your own, you can. I'm going to go through right now and solve it. Left side simplified. 8r and 7r, combine that to make 15r. Minus 2 equals 43. Now it's a 2-step equation, so we add 2 to both sides. Gets our variable term all by itself. So r equals 3. I'm sorry, I have to divide both sides by 15. Okay, so there's combining like terms. We saw this in our first lesson with addition and subtraction, so this is just our view here. Now, the distributive property. Okay, we're going to solve this equation, 6n plus 2 times the quantity n plus 1 equals 26. We are going to do the distributive property first. Remember when I taught this to you in the expressions unit, we wall off that parentheses portion so we know to do that multiplication step first. So the 6n doesn't change. Okay, now we do 2 times n to give us 2n, and then 2 times 1 to give us 2. So now we're here, combine our like terms, and we've got a couple of variable terms right here. Combine 6n and 2n to give us 8n. And now, it looks like a 2-step equation. So we can go forward and solve it. I'm just going to rewrite it down here. So you can see a vertical progression. Subtract 2 from both sides. Give us 24. And divide both sides by 8. So n equals 3. How about a word problem? So a pack of petunia seeds costs $3 and a pack of balloon flower seeds costs $4. You buy the same number of packs of each type of flower and pay $42. How many packs of each did you buy? So we're going to write an equation. We're going to go ahead, though, and define our variable first. This goes back to our word problem lesson. So we're trying to figure out how many packs of seeds we bought. I'm going to go ahead and use just P for packs of seed. So we know that our petunia seeds cost $3 each, and the balloon flowers cost $4 each. And we combine those for a total of $42. We're now going to combine our like terms. So 3p and 4p gives us 7p. And then we go ahead and we solve the problem. We bought 6 packs of each type of seed. And if you think about it, we can plug that 6 back in. We spent $3 for petunia seeds. Well, 6 times 3, we spent 18 bucks on petunias. And then 6 times 4, we spend $24 on the balloon seeds. Add those up, and we get $42. Okay, go ahead and try these on your own. You should pause the video now. This is your chance to see if you understood the lesson. Start by distributing right here. So 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times x is 4x. Combine our like terms of x and 4x to get 5x. Subtract 24 from each side. Left with 5x equals 25. Divide both sides by 5. So x equals 5. Now over here, only difference is our equals, our number that our total is on the left side. Doesn't really affect anything. We still work through and wall off our distributive property. Do that first. So 16 equals 7x plus 7 plus 2x. We've got our like terms. Combine 7x and 2x to give us 9x. Subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Then divide each side by 9 to give us 1 equals x. Do not let the fact that the original total is on the left side of the problem, don't let that throw you off. Same process. Let's conclude your lesson over multi-step equations.